In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view any seller's feedback on eBay. Whether you're a savvy buyer looking to score the best deals, or simply curious about a particular seller's reputation, understanding how to access and interpret feedback can greatly enhance your eBay experience. Let's dive straight into the process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, head over to eBay's homepage and enter your credentials. It's important to be logged in so that you have full access to all seller profiles and listings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the item listing you're interested in. This is typically where you'll start your journey to check the seller's feedback. Look for an item you're considering purchasing and open up that listing page. Now you'll want to focus your attention on the section near the top right area of the listing. Here you should see seller information along with the seller's username. Click on the seller's username. This is your gateway to more detailed information about the seller. After clicking the username, you will see a prompt or a link to visit profile at the top right. Go ahead and click this, as it will take you directly to the seller's profile page. Once you are on the seller's profile page, you have reached the hub of all relevant information about this seller. To get to the heart of the matter, you'll want to find and click on See All Feedback. This option might be prominently displayed, or you may need to scroll down slightly to locate it. By selecting this, you'll access the complete compilation of feedback the seller has received. This feedback is organized into categories like positive, neutral, and negative feedback, providing you with a clear picture of the seller's overall performance. You'll also notice that buyer comments are available here. These anecdotes from past buyers can give you a comprehensive sense of how the seller conducts their business. It's worthwhile to take a moment to read some of these comments, especially from more recent transactions, to see if there are any consistent patterns or noteworthy mentions. Furthermore, eBay displays feedback left as a seller or buyer separately. This means you can distinguish between the experiences other users have had with them when they were selling and when they were buying. Understanding both angles of their interactions on eBay provides a fuller picture of their credibility and reliability. And there you go, now you know how to view a seller's feedback on eBay. Utilizing this feedback is a valuable tool in making informed purchasing decisions, ensuring that your transactions are as smooth and satisfactory as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to shop with confidence on eBay. Happy bidding, and see you in the next video.